what I needed. Just what I needed.
Hello everyone, it's me, Ivan, the 8-year boy. Today I'll show you how to make Part 5 Super Mario. Part 6, sorry. Before we start anything, save your project as a new copy and rename it. Yeah, that should be good. So remember last episode's editor? This episode, we're gonna make level codes. To do that, go into editor and show the tile grid lists. And you see there's so much stuff in there. So today we're gonna make level codes. So make a new sprite named level store. And go to code and make a new list named level store for this sprite only, like that. So simply we can I'm just showing you how, but drag a add to level store, sing to level store, and add tile grid, and for like that, and put delete all before so it always resets. Now you see in the level store there's a long code, a long thing. Just if you want to really see, Command C it or Control C, and you can paste it somewhere. If for simple, I'll just go to text and what just happened? I pasted a long script of values, but just delete it. I just glitched my project. So you can see a note, it will not glitch anything, or Notepad++ or Notepad, whatever. So let's continue. So let's get started. Delete all these blocks and I'll just show the level store. And make a new variable named encoded for this sprite only. And make a new custom block named write value with an input of value and the label delimiter and the input of letter. Run without screen refresh. Under the custom block, put a set encoded to join value letter. Set encoded to join encoder join value letter, like that. And let's make a new custom block named save level hash. And make an input of level hash. And run without screen refresh. And under the set level hash custom block, set encoded to the empty value. And make a new variable named tile index for this sprite only. Like that. Well, I'm just gonna stop that. Wait, yeah, like that. And make a new set name, and then we just simply set tile index to 1 and put a repeat grid height, and inside the grid height put a repeat grid width, like that. Now drag a right value delimiter block inside the repeat width, and then for the first value put item tile index of level store. Of grid list. Then put an underscore in the second, like that, and put a change tile index by 1 in the loop, like that. So I'm just going to show these variables, and at the very bottom, like outside the repeat height and outside the repeat width, put a delete all of level store, and then put an add encoded to level store, like that. Now if you see, like the level store variable got lots of items. Not the level store, and the encoded. I meant like that. It's all so long. So now make 2 new variables. Length for this part only. Tile for this part only. And under the same level, some block, set tile to item tile index of tile grid. And under the set tile, put a set length to 0. Ooh, I spelled the length wrong, but still, I'll go. Drag it if else and put it in the repeat width, and move the change tile index at the bottom. Not in the else or the if, at the bottom. Then check if tile equals item tile index of tile grid. Like that. And put the right value to the else, and delete the item tile index of tile grid, and put the tile variable instead. And duplicate that and put in the else length, like that. And in the if, put a change length by 1. And duplicate the set tile and the set length to 0, and put it in the else also, but set length to 1. And then like after the repeat height, put the same right value tile with delimiter underscore and right length value length, like that. So now click on the save level. You should see length is 41, the length variable. So you can copy it in any place. Just gonna clean up blocks. Delete the coded variable. Yeah, good. So after you're done testing, instead of change tile index by 1, change tile index by length, like that. Wait, not length, but grid height. Change that. And put another change in the repeat grid height. And put change tile index by a minus, a multiply on the right. On the left, put 1 on the, and on the right of the multiplication, put grid height. On the left of the multiplication, put grid width, like that. Done. Now, let's make a new list and name it A to Z. Oh, A to Z for this spread only. And I'm just going to make it bigger. Same with the level store. I'm just going to rearrange and make the full screen usable. And in the A to Z, write all the alphabet down from A, B, C, D all the way to Z. Like that. Now, I finished the list. It should be like a length of 26, and the alphabet only has 26 letters. So yeah, let's continue after we're done. So now, hide the A to Z list and drag an item hash in the right delimiter value tile delimiter. Item length of A to Z, like that, and delete the bottom right value. Same for the one that's outside the if else. Delete the bottom one, and yeah, but do the same value at the top, like that. Drag out an and drag a less than, and check if length is less than 26. On the right, put the tile equals the rest of them. Now, if you run the save level, some numbers change to letters. Good. Now, before the right value delimiter of A to Z and its contains script and else, drag a if tile equals 2 and put everything under. And then we simply set tile to the empty value. Set tile to the empty value, like that. So in save level, under the set encoded to the empty value, drag a right value delimiter custom block, and for the value put 1, and for the letter put the underscore, and duplicate that 2 more times. And for the first value, change the first one to grid width, change the second one to grid height, like that. So now our list only supports one level. So let's make more level, extend that. Go to control, drag a repeat and put it under, and put a minus in the value of, and put like the level hash from the custom block and put it on the left. And on the right, put length of A to Z, like that. And inside the repeat, put add empty value to level store, like that. Now at the bottom, put a replace item level hash with encoded, like that. A to Z. Level store. And also for the repeat, it's not length of A to Z, it's length of level store, like that. Now if we drag like the save level custom block out and put like a level of 5, let's say, and click that, and look in the level stores, we got like 2, 3, and 4 are empty, but the 5th one is full of stuff. And maybe you can save 100. And this 100 blank, 100 is like something. So I'll just delete all of level store. Yep. And click the save level again. And save level 1. Yep, like that. So now, finally, let's make a new custom block named load level. with an input a level hash. One without screen refresh. Under the low level, set encoded to encode to item level of level store. The level hash. Now let's make a new variable named read index. For this part only. And under low level, set read index to 1. And let's make a new custom block named read letter. From without screen refresh. Now let's make a new variable named letter for this part only. And set letter to a join, put a join inside. Read index, join read index, and then finally we put a change read index by 1. And now go to my block, drag a load 1, and now I'll just show the the read index and the letter, and I'll also show the level store. Now if we see if we keep pressing the script, I'll just set letter. The read index changes its value between like that. Well, I just got a mistake. Not set letter to join entire read index encoded, but instead put a letter 1 of Apple and put the values back in. Now if you test, I'm just gonna set it back to 0. We press read. It reads the next value, the level store. The read index says 9, the 9th letter. We count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and the 9th letter. Wait, I think I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wait, I'm just gonna. If we press the read letter, it will the read index changes and the levels the letter also changes. Cool. Let's make a new custom block named read value. Run without screen refresh. And then make a new variable named value for this part only. Under the read value, put a set value to the empty value. And put the read letter custom block. Then at the bottom put a repeat until and an OR operator inside. And a greater than. You put letter greater than 9 or letter equals the empty value. Like that. And inside put a set value. Inside repeat until, put a set value to, and a join, and put value with letter, and put a read letter block like that. And then under the low level, put a read value block and put if not letter equals 1, then we stop the script like that. Wait, for the letter variable, it's not letter but it's value, so change it. Save your project. And under the if, put a delete all of tile grid. And then a read value block. And then we set grid width to 0. Like that. And we set grid width to value. And duplicate that and put a set grid height to value. Like that. Then we repeat grid width multiplied by grid height. Set value to the empty value like that. I mean, not set value. Put an add the empty value to tile grid like that. After the repeat, put a set tile index to 1. After the repeat, put the set tile index to 1. And put a repeat until put a greater than, put read index is greater than length of encoded. Like that. Then we simply put a read value and check if value equals empty value. Value equals empty value in the if condition. And then we simply set value back to 2. Like that. And under the if, put a repeat item hash of letter. Of A to Z. And put letter in the value. Item of. And we simply replace replace item of tile index of tile grid with value like that. Then in the loop we change tile index, not read index, tile index by grid height, and check if tile index is greater than grid width multiplied by grid height. Like that. So now we simply change tile index by 1 minus grid width multiplied by grid height, like that. Now, if just test everything, like still works when in the game. Just gonna hide these variables. Tick the green flag, and you see everything still works. Should work the same. And we can still edit also. So if we just want to like build some stuff, I'm just gonna build one to see everything's still working. I'm just gonna make some jumping areas. Yep, we can jump. We can respawn when we fell off the edge of the screen. Everything looked good. So let's continue coding if everything works good. So now let's make a new event named level save. And drag the save custom block, save level hash. And let's make a new variable named level. Why is it not working? level hash for all sprites, and save level hash like that. Also gonna move it on, move it over, and duplicate and make a new message named level load. Level load. And also just don't mind like I used like the capital letters. And instead of save, put the load level with the level hash input. Like that. Level hash variable input. Now click into the edit sprite. Under when I receive generate level, right after the set editor to 0, put the set level hash to 1. And also delete all of tile grid. Like that. Wait, and also broadcast and wait level load. Like that. Now if we click the green flag, everything still works at the same. Our level is the same. Oops. I think, yep. It doesn't really matter because it accidentally, like I didn't, I'm just gonna rebuild it. I hope this is like, the level editor is going good. I'm just gonna put everything like that. Last change. Finally, we can test. Everything still works the same. Yep. I'm just gonna test if we stop and the green flag. Oh, I don't know why, but I'll deal with that later. Now we're gonna actually fix if we like change something. Like if we change something and we click the green flag, it will vanish. So let's fix it. Click into the editor sprite. And under the 1-0 key press, if editor is greater than 0, put a broadcast and wait level save like that. And before that, make a new message named level stop. I'm gonna just go crazy for some reason. And then after set editor to 0, put the hide level hash variable and broadcast and wait a new message. Broadcast and wait a new message named level start game loop like that. And also don't put like the no and wait, just put regular broadcast. And in the else, also put a level stop and the hide it. But instead of hiding, put a show level variable. Show level hash variable. And before ending, broadcast level stop, and at the end, broadcast level load. So at the very end, broadcast level start game loop, like that. Everything still works the same, good. In the events, when I receive level stop all other scripts and sprite. Stop other. And when I receive level start game loop, put the game loop the block like that. And now if you click the green flag, I'll just remove that. If I was like gonna build another of these, like another of those tall towers, you should be finding out that everything should be working the same. If you just like that, I'm just gonna block every places up. And also I'm gonna block this up. So, yep. And then press 0, and if you click the green flag again, and it's all here. So now you can like make more of your own levels. Make it like that. Also, I'm gonna put 2 blocks here. Put 2 wooden blocks. 2 question marks here. And also for this, I'm gonna make it 1 block lower. So we can, oops. Then I'll just make it 1 block lower. Like that. So now it's lower. We can still fall and die. And everything's working great. So we're almost at the end of the tutorial. But like maybe a couple more minutes until the tutorial went. But I'm just gonna, now you can edit your level however you want. So I'm just gonna put some gold blocks. Wait, what? Wait, I'm just gonna. Yep, like that. Now you can make your own creative level and get it saved. I bet this level is still super long. So let's continue coding, scratching. Let's add the ability to switch levels. Drag a 1L key pressed. L stands for load, or you can do any other keys. Then put an if editors less than 1. Editors less than 1. Editors less than 1. Then simply stop the script. Oh, just grab the stop the script from over here. And now go to settings. We're gonna use the ask. And ask. Put a join inside. And on the left, type enter level number, and put this and current like that, and put another join on the right. Put join, put level, and yeah, like that. And at the bottom put if round, check if round answer is less than 1. Stop the script like that. And then at the bottom put level stop and level save and both for broadcast and waits. And then at the bottom put a set level hash to round answer like that. And broadcast and wait level load. Broadcast and wait level load and broadcast level load game loop. Level load and level start game loop. Now if you click the green flag and press the 0 key and enter level editor mode, and you press L, put 2, enter 2, just 2, and press the arrow. Now you should see you got into a brand new level. And also this is the level I built. So yeah. So you still like die. It's like a small, like this level is not really done. See, it's like blank all over here. And also, you can also add new things. Like that. So you can also add all sorts of new items to letter in the game. You can also add gaps and more. See, you can also maybe also add like I'm just gonna go random. And yeah, like that. And also I'm gonna add some clouds, like these jumpsuit platforms. And then the next episode 7, we're gonna talk about the jumpsuit platforms. We're gonna make Mario collect coins, so we can collect coins. And maybe I can add one more of these. Like that. And you can also add a bit of coins here. And you can add so much more. You got like much more than this. This is just the basics. So let's continue coding. So now let's add the ability to like reset a level. In the editor sprite, drag a 1R key pressed. Not Q. And then we simply ask, are you sure? Are you sure? And you can do like any question. You can ask, maybe you can even like load levels from someone else's project. No. Also, you don't have to put it in the join. I'm just gonna write it again. Yep, it looks good. And check if not, check if not answer equals the Y, like the capital Y. Stop. Then we like ask, duplicate from the low level L key press, and ask and put enter, or you can just write whatever you want. Enter. I'm just gonna make it nice. Grid width. Yep. Then duplicate the top. If not answer equals the empty value, then we set grid width to answer. Like that. Duplicate the ask and its contain and check for the height. ask for the height. And then join, just switch all the width for height. Even to ask. So everyone understands. And so let's broadcast and wait a new message named level done loading. Oh, I accidentally stopped. Level done. Click OK. Broadcast and wait. And broadcast level start game loop. Like that. And also before the asking, like after the are you reset level, are you sure? Put a broadcast stop. So I think there's 2 spaces here. Yep, there are. So delete. And under the generate level custom block, remove the set grid width and height and put it in the here, over here. In the level store, under when I receive level loading, put a broadcast level done loading and put instead, and also put and wait like that. Click into the tile sprite and drag a when I receive level done loading and put it if tile index is equal to the empty value. Then we simply set tile index to 1 plus floor of tile Y divided by 32. Like that. And also it's not this if tile index is greater than is equal to empty value, it's greater than. So change it. It's gonna change it like that. Greater than empty value. Then we put a change tile index by grid height multiplied by floor of tile X divided by 32. Now if we test, if we just go to editor mode and press L and insert 3, and we're on level 3, and press R and put Y. Wait, why is this 0, 0, 0? I don't know why is it like, but I don't know. Still, I'll go with it. Set to current width, I'll set it to like maybe 20. Well, I mean 30. The width and height I'll do for just 20. Now if you see level 3 is reset of just 30 blocks wide and 20 blocks high. Now you can add whatever. Now look good. Maybe I'll do some fun and put a wooden, like a parkour leading to the roof. Like that. And maybe you can do like a secret entrance. Or over here. Like that. Now if I test, like now I can climb up. And yep, it's working. I'll also put some bushes down. gonna put some bushes all over the place. So, now it's working so great. Now if we press the green flag and go to 0 and press L and set foot level 3, and now our level is now good. Also, I'm just gonna go do like that. Good, it's like the level end. It's working so well. From now, I think the episode is coming to an end. I hope you enjoyed this episode. If you did, please smash the like button and click the subscribe button to view the latest video. Bye.
Just what I needed. Just what I needed. Just what I needed. Just what I needed. Just what I needed.
可以了，你这个录着没用，我要自己录，因为这个上。